Most startups fail not because they aren't working hard, but because they aren't working aligned. Tasks get done, meetings happen, but the business still struggles to move the needle. That's why OKRs, objectives and key results, exist. Today, I'll show you how to cascade goals from vision to daily action so your team actually moves forward. 1. The Goal Cascading Framework. 1 minute. OKRs are more than a checklist. They are a system linking high-level vision to ground-level execution. Think of it like a map. Annual objective, the North Star. What's the one thing that, if accomplished, makes the year a success? Example, become the #1 CRM for small agencies. Quarterly OKRs, the milestones. Break your North Star into 3 to 5 objectives with measurable key results. Monthly sprints. Turn key results into actionable projects. Weekly tasks. Daily steps that actually drive the key results. Cascading ensures your team isn't busy for the sake of being busy. Every action connects to strategy. 2. Why cascading matters. Without cascading, teams optimize locally. Marketing chases vanity metrics. Product builds shiny features no one uses. Operations improves efficiency that doesn't matter strategically. Cascading forces one question repeatedly. How does this connect to the company objective? One working without OKRs, one with OKRs. Show motion versus measurable results. 3. Annual objectives. Your annual objective is your directional focus. It's not a list of everything you care about. One strong, clear objective simplifies decision making. You know what deserves attention and what can wait. Show. If leadership lists 7 priorities, they have none. Keep it simple. Keep it clear. 4. Quarterly OKRs. Quarterly OKRs compress your annual ambition into a practical horizon. Short enough to respond to feedback, long enough for meaningful work. Rules for writing good OKRs. 3 objectives per team, 3 key results per objective. Committed versus ambitious. Committed must hit 100%. Ambitious stretch for 70% success. Example. Objective. Increase customer engagement. Key result 1. Improve weekly active users from 22K to 30K. Key result 2. Reduce churn from 8% to 5%. Key result 3. Increase feature adoption by 20%. A key result is not a task. Build a blog is a task. Generate 10,000 unique visitors per month is a key result. Measure outcomes, not output. 5. Common pitfall. Teams often fail with OKRs because objectives are vague. Too many goals, scattered execution. KRs are tasks, not outcomes. No baselines, fantasy metrics. Ignoring counter metrics. Optimizing in destructive ways. A startup focused on increasing page views by 500%. They succeeded, but brand trust and revenue didn't grow. Why? Metrics were gamed. Lesson: always pair primary metrics with counter metrics. Checks. Weekly and quarterly execution. OKRs fail if you set them and forget them. Execution matters. Weekly check-ins. Owners post confidence scores 1 to 10. Anything below 5 triggers a support meeting. Quarterly grading. Evaluate KRs from 0 to 1. Use it to learn, not punish. Metric creep defense. No new projects mid-quarter unless they tie to an existing OKR. Why weekly check-ins matter? They surface risk early, preserve alignment, and ensure assumptions are tested. 7. Bottom-up input and ownership. The best OKRs include team input. Frontline employees see friction and leverage that leadership might miss. Bottom-up input isn't chaos, it's smarter goal setting. Tip: 50% of OKRs should emerge from the team. Ownership increases engagement and uncovers hidden blockers. 8. Healthy OKR culture. A healthy OKR culture is focused, not bureaucratic. Teams know which metrics matter. Teams can challenge goals without being disloyal. Leadership can pivot without pretending the plan was flawless. Questions to ask. Which KRs actually changed behavior? Where did teams confuse activity with impact? Which priority should be removed next quarter for sharper focus? Great OKRs don't make your company smarter. They make intelligence operational. They expose trade-offs, create alignment, and accelerate learning. Your challenge. Look at your OKRs. Are they measurable? Are they auditable by someone outside the team? Rewrite today as an objective with 3 key results. Share with your team and get a confidence score.